Performing your own oil changes can save money, but avoiding these critical mistakes is essential to prevent expensive engine damage. The biggest mistake is using the wrong oil type. Modern engines manufactured after 2020 often require advanced synthetic oils. Using conventional oil can void your warranty and harm the engine. Using incorrect oil quantity is dangerous. Overfilling causes oil foaming and reduces lubrication efficiency, while underfilling leads to inadequate lubrication and potential engine seizure. Filter-related errors are extremely common. Installing the wrong filter size, leaving old gaskets in place, or improper tightening can cause oil leaks and engine damage. Drain plug mistakes can be catastrophic. Cross-threading or over-torquing the drain plug can strip the oil pan threads, requiring expensive repairs. Always torque to specification. Using incorrect oil viscosity is a serious mistake. The viscosity rating must match your manufacturer's specifications exactly, or you risk poor lubrication and accelerated engine wear. Remember, always consult your owner's manual for exact oil specifications. Following manufacturer guidelines prevents these costly mistakes and keeps your engine running smoothly. The oil change industry has evolved dramatically. Modern synthetic oils have become the standard for vehicles manufactured after 2020, with extended drain intervals now common. Don't follow outdated 3,000-mile change intervals unnecessarily. Modern vehicles use sophisticated oil life monitoring systems that consider driving conditions, engine temperature, and RPM patterns. Be aware of new oil specifications introduced by the American Petroleum Institute. API-SP and GF6 specifications are now standard, and older oil formulations may actually be harmful to newer engines. When choosing a service provider, ensure they can show you the exact oil specification being used. Avoid providers who pressure you to change intervals more frequently than manufacturer recommendations. Remember, the average cost of an oil change mistake can range from $1,200 to $8,500. Being informed about modern oil change practices protects both your engine and your wallet.